Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is broccoli pepper fry. For this we need broccoli 8 cups, 1 cup onion cut into thin slices, 2 teaspoons grated ginger, 2 teaspoons pepper powder, half tomato cut into small pieces, curry leaves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 3 to 4 teaspoons oil and salt. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons oil. Add mustard seeds and urad dal. Add onion, curry leaves, grated ginger, some salt. Fry this for 1 minute. Add turmeric powder and fry till the onions are lightly golden brown. Add tomato, teaspoon pepper powder. Fry till the tomatoes are soft. Let's add the broccoli, salt, if you want this to be spicy, you can add more pepper powder. No need to add water. You can cook this on medium flame. Keep stirring in between. This is done. Very easy and healthy recipe. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.